to Kerala, a shocking incident has come to light from the state's Kottayam. This shows the deadly consequences of blindly trusting Google Maps. Now, a couple, Josie Joseph and his wife Sheba, they narrowly escaped when their car plunged into a flooded stream in Kurupantara. Now, the road was submerged, and despite signboards warning of danger, GPS actually led them straight into the hazard. They managed to escape just in time, but if they'd gone even a foot further, it could have been fatal for the couple. Now, viewers, this is not an isolated case. In fact, back in the year 2022, two doctors died after following GPS into the Peria River during heavy rain. So the message here is in fact clear. Relying solely on GPS, especially in poor visibility of flooded areas, can be deadly. In fact, in both cases, locals knew the risks. GPS did not, apparently. A shocking case coming to light from Kerala, showing the deadly consequences of solely relying on GPS to navigate in areas which are flood struck or in areas which are prone to floods. Now, in this case, a couple narrowly escaped in time, and this is when the GPS led them straight into hazard. If they'd gone even a foot further, it could have been fatal for the couple, but fortunately, they just managed to escape in time. And in fact, this is not an isolated incident that has come to light. Back in the year 2022, we also witnessed two doctors dying after GPS led them straight into Peria River. So the message, viewers, is clear here. You cannot solely rely on GPS, especially in areas where the visibility is poor or they are flood-prone areas.